Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find Monopoly Go reward codes. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you're looking for a way to get those juicy reward codes in Monopoly Go, well, there are a few ways for you to get, or basically use those reward codes in Monopoly Go. So the first method and the in this case the default one and the usual one way here is by visiting official channels where Monopoly Go is currently available. Now, if you're not aware yet, you could actually view certain social media accounts that Monopoly Go already has inside the game itself. Now, usually at the top right, so once you're inside Monopoly Go, at the top right, you should see a three-bar icon. So you can go and just click on it, and you want to go and just click on Join Us. And as you can see right now, there are a number of pages or accounts that you could basically join. Like they have a Facebook page, an Instagram page here, Discord, TikTok, YouTube, and a lot more, even on X. Now, if you click on the go button here, it basically will redirect you to a page or the official Facebook page for Monopoly Go. And if you're not aware yet, sometimes in their social media pages, this is where they post those juicy reward codes. Now, to get the latest out of them, I would highly recommend you to basically visit their official channels, their official social media accounts, and basically to be updated with the latest reward codes and get those rewards. Now, this is just the first way here. Now, obviously, you can visit other platforms as well, like Instagram, TikTok, and a lot more. But I would highly recommend you try visiting or try joining their Discord. Now, Discord is specifically a platform that allows you to basically share or interact with other players for Monopoly Go. Now, once you click on it, it will allow you to join their server. Just click on the go join server here, or click on go to server since already a member inside it. And as you can see, this is their game service. And as you can see, there are giveaways or different chat windows for giveaways. So if you click on it, you should be able to get links to get those free dice. And also, if they will also give out like certain reward codes in here, so you can basically claim them via this way. So this is a great platform for getting those juicy rewards, like what I said before. Now, this is just the second way for you to get those reward codes. Now, the third way or the final way for you to get reward codes here is by visiting a wiki page. Now, if you're not aware yet, if you try visiting or searching Monopoly Go, let's just say if you type in Monopoly Go reward codes here, you should see Monopoly Go wiki. Now, the thing with Monopoly Go Wiki, this is a fan page here that is being managed by the community, which in this case, it will give you links for the latest rewards for Monopoly Go. So let's go and just access this. Now, from here, as you can see, there are different links that you can access in here. Now, you can claim them. So let's give you some example. I'm going to claim 75 dice here. Just go and click on claim, and it will redirect me to my Monopoly Go app here. Let's go and choose Monopoly Go. And as you can see, we've just received like 75 dices here by just going to their platform. So yeah, so the great thing about this one is you don't have to do much. You just need to type in the keyword, access their website, and click on the link. Just make sure that you are actually accessing the official or the actual website for it. So not some like sketchy website. So monopolygo.wiki to see the latest reward links here to get those rewards. But yeah, so in this case, those are the ways for you to get those reward codes in Monopoly Go, or even like get those reward links. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.